writing a new chapter in high-speed inkjet web press printing. Introducing the knowzzleJet M880, the world's first 34-inch roll-to-fold inkjet web press, engineered in India for the world, redefining what's possible in digital book printing. 856mm print width for high-volume production. Equipped with Zetron RIP for ultra-fast variable data processing. Speeds up to 150 meters per minute. Flexible configurations: roll to roll, roll to sheet, and roll to fold. Up to 44 million impressions per month. Built for books, transactional, trans-promotional, security printing, and question and answer sheets. knowzzleJet M880, presented by Jetski and Pressline,